Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Welcome, everyone. This is Steve Meisinger, your host for today's ISE webinar. Today we have Trading Central with us. Cyril Berkouk will be talking about FX options, their trend opinions, and how they make those opinions looking at the moving averages and trend lines. So I think this will be a great webinar, time well spent over the next 45 minutes or an hour. Hopefully you'll take away how they look at the markets regarding technical analysis and how they, of course, make these trading recommendations. Anytime you're trading, you should always include or consider taxes, margin, or commission, and you can get a copy of the characteristics and risk of standardized options. You can call 1-888-OPTIONS or go to optionseducation.org. We're trading a lot of pairs here at the ISE. We just added the Brazilian real. That's not on that slide 3, but what is on the slide: Australian dollar, British pound, Canadian dollar, euro, yen, Mexican peso, New Zealand dollar, Swedish krona, Swiss franc, and as I said, the Brazilian real. We offer all those currency pairs. Again, it's paired up against the dollar. You just need to have an equity options account. So an account with a broker like, let's just say, Interactive Brokers. They're available all throughout the world. Possibly E-Trade, Ameritrade, Options Express, TradeStation, folks like that. There are many, many brokers out there. So if you don't have an account, you can open one today. They're exchange-listed securities. They're settled in U.S. dollars, European-style exercise, and you can trade spreads. All the strategies that you can implement when you're trading equity options, except the covered call, can be implemented using the currency options. We just launched a new website, fxoptions.com. I'd urge you to go and bookmark fxoptions.com. We have a trader forum. We have trading contests. We have all the prices, the volatilities. We have our webinars. So there's lots there, fxoptions.com. Urge you to go and check that out. So without further ado, I want to introduce Cyril Berkouk from Trading Central, and Cyril will be talking about how they make their trading recommendations using moving averages and trend lines. Cyril, good afternoon in Europe, and of course we're here in the U.S., and it's morning for us. Thanks for joining us.
Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. I hope you're doing well. So we start with FX option trade alerts. So we have two kinds of reports. So the first one on the slide is the trade alert report and the trend opinion, but we will see after the first slide. This one on the first slide is the classical trade alert. So on this trade alert, we have two boxes. The first one, which is the option strategy. Just there we are long a call, we buy a call. So the action is buy to open, means that you take the position when we send the report, the trade alert. We indicate the last price, the target, and the stop loss. Stop loss, very important. And on the second boxes, we have option details. So there is call with a strike at 134. The expiration is March 2010, and the option ticker. Just at left of the document, we have the technical analysis of the underlying. So the underlying there is the Mexican peso with the ticker code of PZO. And We have also a technical indicator. There is the RSI. And that's it. We have also volatility cone and historical volatility just below. So this is the trade alert, the FX option trade alert. I need to insist on one thing regarding trade alerts from Trading Central on FX option. It's very important to trade all our recommendations, as it's almost impossible to have a 100% of winner's trade. The strength of this service is the control of risk. I mean that the loss is always limited by 25%, and even we have just a 50% of winner-loser trade ratio, our performance will go higher. So if you just choose some trade alerts proposed, you take the risk to choose just the loser one. So it's very important to trade all recommendations. On the next slide. So the second one is the FX option trend opinion. So it's just a trend opinion. We don't list the opinion in your profit and loss report. In this FX trend opinion, we propose 3 options the most appropriate, and this report is released every Monday. So the 3 options proposed are just in these 3 boxes. Okay, is the most appropriate option regarding our forecast on the underlying. There is the British pound with the ticker symbol BPX, and you have the choice between three options. The difference between the trade alert and trade opinion is that in trade opinion we focus on an interesting technical configuration, but our confidence for the timing is weaker than in the trade alert. So does not mean that you must not trade option proposed, but the timing is not necessarily the best, as we send the report every Monday. So maybe we send the report on Monday, but maybe the best timing will be on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's not sure, but we have to send this report every Monday. So we have a relative confidence regarding the technical analysis on underlying, but not necessarily on the timing, regarding the timing.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.